Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're gonna learn how to create YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT and AI tools. Okay, and it's completely free. And if you wanna start your YouTube channel in 2025, so thumbnail will play a big role. Okay, so if you want to grow your YouTube channel fast, really fast, and if you want to get more views and subscribers and ultimate YouTube success, you must have a eye-catchy thumbnail. Okay, so as a beginner you don't have enough skill to create eye-catchy thumbnail using different software, but AI tools will help you a lot. Okay, I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you gonna create like this. This is Ali Abdal YouTube channel, and as you can see, so let's explore the thumbnail. This is the picture of him and this is the background. It's a white background. It's like a Twitter post or X post. Forget about going viral. So we're going to try and create this kind of viral thumbnail. Definitely YouTube thumbnail. Here you can see. Okay, here you go, the another one. This is pretty similar. And 2024 you will see lots of famous YouTuber, they are using this kind of thumbnail. It's pretty simple, just a picture and background, and it's like a Instagram post or Twitter post, pretty much similar. Okay, here you can see the another one. Okay, the same concept is same, but picture and the background is different. Okay, so if you compare with this one, okay, it's a shadow background in Ali Abdul thumbnail, and in this thumbnail you will see a solid background. So you can use your picture like this, a good expression. Okay, and we can write it here. Okay, it's a simple YouTube icon and the text over here. So let's see the another one. Okay, so think media. So here you can see the creator's attorney. It's like a Twitter post or something like that. Why YouTubers are getting sweet. Okay, so this is the pretty simple concept. Okay, and what can I do with AI? So let's see the first results. Okay, so this is the post and this is the thumbnail that I generated using ChatGPT and AI tools. Okay, forget about going viral, they're pretty simple. Okay, the same one, forget about going viral, it's pretty different. Okay, the first one and the last one. So let's check the another one, it's the third one. So also you can change the title, and also you can change the different kind of icons over here. Okay, so I will show you step by step, don't worry at all. So if you want to create like different kind of software using Photoshop, Illustrator, so it's pretty really tough to create this kind of images. Only AI can generate this kind of images, and where you can get this kind of personal images, it's really tough. The fourth one, forget about going viral. Okay, those are the example that I already generated, create this kind of same pictures or thumbnails. Okay, here you can see, forget about going viral. This one, forget about going viral. And if you are a student and maybe you are thinking maybe you need some money to create this kind of pictures or thumbnail using AI tools, not at all. I said it's completely free. Okay, 100% free, so you can create your own thumbnail. All right, so it's our turn to show you how we can generate this kind of videos. Okay, let's go back to first of all ChatGPT. So before jump into the video, if you are watching first time here, so don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. And in this channel you will get lots of tutorials like how we can create different AI videos, how we gonna make money on online like from YouTube or freelancing. Okay, all right, so this is the final thumbnail that you gonna copy or that you want to create. Okay, so the first of all we have to upload into the ChatGPT. Okay, and then we're going to find a prompt, or ChatGPT will help us to create the prompt. Then using this prompt we're gonna use the tools and we're gonna create. So let's get started. So first of all, upload this image from your computer or your mobile. Just write it here. I just wrote it here. I want to create the same thumbnail, so I need exactly the same prompt so that I can create it using AI tool. Okay, and then press enter, and ChatGPT will help us to generate the prompt. Here you can see prompt for AI thumbnail creation. Okay, so here is the AI prompt you can use to recreate a similar thumbnail design. So our prompt is already generated, so let's copy the prompt over here and let's go back to the tools. I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's very famous, and I believe you all of you know that, and I've already used so many pictures, images and thumbnail using this Leonardo AI. And if you are first time, so I highly recommend to use these tools, or just give it a try. Okay, so this is the prompt typing section. Type a prompt, so just paste the prompt over here. Focus on the left hand sidebar, you will see the phonics 1.0 prompt enhance 1, style dynamic, contrast fast, and the image dimension is really important. If you want to generate for your Instagram post or Facebook reels, so you can make sure 1:1 or 2:3, but I'm just going to create YouTube thumbnail. Definitely you have to select 16:9 ratio. It's perfect for YouTube thumbnail, and the size is medium. And number of images, that's mean when you click on generate, it will generate 4 images at a time, and then you can choose. Okay, so just click on 4. Okay, and leave this other thing, and here you can see a generate button, and you will see 24. That's mean once you click on generate, it will deduct 24 credit, and this is the it's called token. Okay, and token allocation reset in 19 hours, and it's on every 19 hours you will get 150. So it's time to create the thumbnail, and let's see how it's generate the thumbnail. So click on generate. All right, so finally 4 images already generated, so let's check it out. This is the first one, don't try it for the money, and the second one, third one, and fourth one. I think this one is best. So it's really easy to create and really easy to download, so you don't have to spend any money. Also you can edit and you can download. So if you want to customize this, you can customize this text, you can add your own, you can remove different like styles. Also you can add some styles, and then you can regenerate. Okay, but I have only 6 left, so I can't right now. Okay, so it's your turn. Just use this method, just follow the steps, use ChatGPT and use Leonardo, and you can generate. Okay, so I'm going to download this, just showing you it's really easy to download. It's already downloaded over here. Here you can see, and let's check the results that I've already showed you first. These are the results. Okay, I already generated this one, I already downloaded, and this one, it's really amazing. Forget about going viral. I think this one is perfect. So those are the thumbnail that I already generated using ChatGPT and Leonardo. So you can copy from your favorite YouTuber thumbnail, and then you can use ChatGPT to generate the prompt, and then go back to Leonardo and you can create. Okay, so I hope you found this video is helpful. So if you have any queries, please comment below, and if you have tried this Leonardo, just comment below how it's for you and how it's your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so I will come back with new tutorials very soon. So see you in the next video.